Hi guys, good day. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. I'm here now with Miss Universe Philippines, Bacoor City. I'm here with Natsumi. Hi.
Hello! Hello, universe!
How are you, dear, right after this press presentation?
I feel so grateful. Actually, I'm candidate number 4 and it's my first time to be in the front. So I feel so happy because I don't have time to feel anxiety since I'm in the front.
Tell me, how was your experience so far in this press presentation?
Well, I feel so grateful again to be here since it's every girl's dream to be here. So everybody and every girl would die to be here on my spot. So I'm really, really thankful.
What was last minute preparation on this press
Last minute
presentation?
preparation, I actually changed my outfit and also I'm wearing real diamonds. Just like what I said in Miss Bacoor, no pressure, no diamonds, and I'm actually wearing it today.
Wow, bonga bonga. I love your mindset, dear.
Yes.
Well, anyway, you pretty obvious you've met all the 68 empowered women in the Philippines. So, what can you say about them?
What I can say is they're really beautiful and as they said, this year will be a bloodbath, puksaan talaga. So I'm ready to represent Bacoor City.
You have also a lot of supporters in social media
Yes po.
there.
So thank you so much for all the people that's been supporting me since day one. Since all of my patrons and also to my team, to MUPH Bacoor organization who has been supporting me since day one as well.
Do you undergo training ba, Natsumi?
Yes po.
So, for how long you been in training?
After Miss Bacoor po, nag-training po ako agad. So, as I always say, I'm training the 4 Bs, beauty, body, bait, and brain.
Wow, bonggang bongga. Well, talking to your preparations, what's your favorite?
I think it would be preparing for the swimsuit competition since I'm a fitness girly, so I would love to showcase my body and my hard work.
Who trained for your Q&A and as well as Pasarela?
Pasarela, for that, secret na muna.
Wow, mukhang pasabog to si Natsumi ha,
Yes.
guys. Well, Bacoor City or Bacoor people are watching right now. What's your message to them?
Chillax lang kayo dan because I got this.
Bongga, I love it, dear. And how do you say, or when can you say that you are an empowered woman?
I think I can say when I am an empowered woman, when I can handle myself, I can make decisions for myself, and I am confidently empowered by myself.
All right. So what was the first thing you did right after the coronation night of Miss Universe Philippines
Oh
Bacoor City?
yeah, actually I didn't sleep that day after coronation night because it was really I was feeling really surreal and I was really ecstatic and I wasn't able to sleep. I think I slept by 6 a.m. So I
Oh.
was really, it was really an experience that I didn't expect that would happen. But I'm so glad that all my hard work went to reality today.
Did you celebrate with your parents after
Yes,
that?
I did celebrate with my team and all of my supporters.
Wow, bongga. Anyway, Natsumi, of course, it's pretty obvious that you're,
Yes, I'm half
yeah.
Japanese, half Filipina.
So your father is,
My father is a Japanese citizen and my mother is a Filipino citizen.
do you know how to speak Nihongo ne?
Yes, I speak Nihongo, so konnichiwa, watashi wa Natsumi desu.
Wow, bongga, ganbate.
Ganbatte, buhay.
All right. So one last thing, promote your social media platforms. Where can they follow your
Okay.
journey?
Okay, so all of my social media accounts, username is Natsumi Sekiguchi Official. So you guys can follow and support my journey in Miss Universe Philippines there. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys soon.
And also the persons behind your journey, you can acknowledge also them.
Yeah, the persons behind my journey, I wouldn't want to say it now to spoil the fun, but soon you will know, guys.
Thank you, Natsumi.
Thank you
Arigato
so much. Arigatou
gozaimasu.
gozaimasu.